Good morning. This is Karl Rose recording from Bedford, Pennsylvania on Thursday, uh, August 1st, 2019, and we're recording my screen. We're going to look at Pixabay and Pexels in a minute here. Let me see if I can. Okay, where is trying to get the, okay. Alright, I wanted to do, alright. This, okay, where's it go? Well, fine. I was trying to do my, the face thing. I'll have to do my settings later, but I'm just going to do a quick little screen recording here. And this is where I get my royalty-free stuff, where you don't have to have licenses and you don't get into trouble. So we're going to go into this right now. As soon as it does it, I got a slow internet. And we're looking at this little circle spinning here. Let's just look at one picture here, and we'll look at the license. And I just want to get okay. And see, you can do the free download. I'm not going to download this one because there's really, but it says, okay, there's the license here right under the free download. It's free for commercial use, no attribution required. That's what you want. You download that, and then you can use that in your videos, and you don't get in trouble with YouTube or no copyright notice or anything like that. So let me get out of that. I'm gonna try. Okay, let me get out of that, and I'm gonna try and see if I can. Okay, I'm gonna see something here if I can get my. I thought there was a way that I could put. I think on this app somewhere I can put have a face cam on here, but maybe not. I'm just gonna stop the recording.